wedding professionals, make it easy to reach you. It's amazing how many wedding professionals make it so difficult to be contacted by a prospective customer. If a new prospect can only reach you by filling out the dreaded online contact form, this sends a message that you would rather not be bothered, and you are missing out on lots of business. Make it easy for the prospect to contact you, and you will give them a comfort level that they don't get from your competition. Your contact information should be on every page of your website. It should be in all of your social media and in a prominent place in all of your marketing materials. Give them options. Invite them to email you, message you through social media, call you, and text you, and respond to them as quickly as you possibly can. Some wedding professionals have an out-of-town phone number, which is a really bad idea. Even more, have nothing on their website that specifies their service area. The customer has no idea if you are local or not. And more importantly, Google has no idea if you are local or not. And that is hurting your search engine rankings and costing you business.